Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is lifestyle tutorials. I came to my PayPal today in the morning. I found that future payments may be on hold for up to 21 days. The reason that they are saying that I say they had a press button know your options. So the issue is that it's telling me that I'm almost reaching my PayPal limit. So I press the open the know my options button, and it gives me that these are the options that I have. I have a so these are the sales this month of March. I've made sales of $453 and I'm remaining only $146. Then my cash will be held for 21 days. So this is the way you solve it. They tell me why my funds may be on held. Any fund received above $600 from sales each month will be held for 21 days. We will see you are getting close to that amount now. Funds may be held for many reasons, such as we noticed an initial large increase in your sales. So in case you have large increase in your sales, I'm showing you how you will come increase your limit. Steps you can take to get the funds sooner. Either request an increase or update the order status. That is in case cash had been sent to you. I have a video that talks about in the same channel that talks about update your order status, but we'll come to the request an increase. How we request an increase. On requesting an increase, this is the way how we do. This is the way we do it. This is the way we will increase. So request an increase, open in a new tab. It is let it load. So my issue today is that in case you find that your future payments will be held up to 21 days, this is the way to go about it. Come here, you'll get a request request for an increase, and upon pressing and request an increase, we will get a request for an increase. You can request an increase in this amount immediately available for each month. How much you expect from sales over the next 3 months. If the amount can you can submit another request in the 13 days. So less than $5,000, five to $10,000, 10,000 to 1,500. So we'll be able to press the 10,000 to $15,000. Then we request. So they told me, how much do you expect to receive in sales per month over the next 3 months? I expect to receive $10,000 to $15,000. So I'll just click submit request and it's done.